garage with this awesome floor, and we're going to do front brake pads, brake fluid, and oil, right?
Got it.
And get ready for Charlotte. Up in the air, getting the wheels off here. These are kind of nice jack stands that are since they have pins and they don't have the ratcheting type, you can set them at equal height really easily.
Take a look at these.
So if you look here, we think this one's toast, and it's not because of all the rubber that's on it. If you look right here and if you can feel with your hands, but see these marks on the Goodyear 3Rs, they go almost all the way out. And so, I think that the molded depth is only 5/32, and that's probably 3/32 there. But if you feel on this edge, and that may be about the cord right there.
No bueno for
no
Charlotte.
Bueno. No bueno for Charlotte.
Yeah,
So the reason that you want to do a four-wheel off check is, not just to change brakes or do maintenance, but before you do track days, you want to look at all the components. So you want to look at the bolts. Put a wrench on these and make sure that they're tight. Ideally, you can mark them with a paint marker. But when we were looking at Andrew's car, if you look right here, there's a wheel travel sensor, and it actually, I've put it back on, but it had actually popped off here on the bottom, and that can cause a StabiliTrak error, and that could have been a downer for his track day. So get the car off the ground, check everything out, or take it to a mechanic that knows what they're doing to take a look at your car. Otherwise, you could have a safety issue, or you could have a mechanical problem that ruins your track day.
So if I compress that.
So first get the pins out fully, pull them all the way out.
Stop.
Yeah.
Grab a circle.
And then you're going to need a 13mm socket, and there's a single bolt that's on the back of this pin, and that just comes right out, and then the pads come out. One down, 3 more to go. Everything looks good. Floor.
Hold it up. Hold it.
Floor.
Hold it up. Hold it.
Floor. Wait a second, we've forgotten something. Oh, that's better. Yeah. So we're all done. Oil, brakes, just button her back up. We're gonna be good to go, Andrew?
Yes, sir. Appreciate your help, Beast.